now, live from FCSN Studios, it's Puppet TV. And here's your host, ladies and gentlemen, Eddie McStuffy.
Thank you, everybody. And I want to wish y'all a happy New Year's Eve, everybody. Can you believe it? We are about to turn the page and see what 2024's got for us. We're still going to continue on today since it's still kind of a holiday special. We're going to still continue on with the 4 sketch routine. Just like we did on our previous episode, our Christmas special. I sure hope everyone had a Merry Christmas and got a lot of presents. You know, I can just feel it. We all come together as a family in FCSN Studios, where it's a great sketch comedy show that we run for. And I can just feel it. 2024 in the air. Hey Eddie, enough with the dang cheesy talk and just get on with it. Hey, we got a show to run. No. Let him sweet talk. I can still feel the regret. Thank you, Robert. No, thank you, Gregory. Well, as I was saying, I'm really glad that we just come all here together, bond together as a family in unity and in harmony so that we can all share the New Year's together, so we can all celebrate it. And days of Auld Lang Syne, meaning for all time's sake. Let's start today's New Year's Eve special with our first and foremost New Year's skit at our last 2023 FCSN News. We interrupt this program to bring you some New Year's Eve updated news from FCSN News, and here he is, folks, a man who will always remember his 2023 career. Hello, welcome once again to FCSN News on this beautiful New Year's Eve with me, Gregory Hudson, for FCSN News Report. I'd like to interview 2 people today and see what they have in mind for celebrating New Year's. These 2 guys are friends, and apparently they're gonna tell a bit of their plans for New Year's and some of the resolutions too. I'd like to welcome Jack and Oliver.
Gregory, good to see you.
Good to see you, Jack. So, basically, what do you have in mind?
I basically have in mind that I'm going to spend with my family searching up gold and basically figuring out a way to get rich for New Year's. And we'll join everyone during the countdown.
Thank you, Jack. Oliver, do you have something in mind?
Nothing in mind, really. I mean, I don't really have a truly good idea, but I do have this idea. Spending time with my family and working out a little.
Well, there you have it, folks. FCSN News, Gregory Hudson, over and out. Happy New Year, Auld Lang Syne.
Oh, what is it? This has been FCSN News Breaking Report on the New Year's. And we hope you enjoy the FCSN News Breaking Report series of 2023, and stay tuned for the 2024 Breaking Updated News by Gregory Hudson News. And now, another episode of Dr. Sarah on this beautiful New Year's Eve. And here she is, folks, psychiatrist that wants a good old resolution for 2024, Dr. Sarah.
Set up the following patient, boss. Make sure it's a good one for this New Year's Eve of 2023, and as we move on to 2024, oh my gosh! Oh, she's so beautiful.
So you must be Dr. Sarah.
Yes, I am.
Well, my name is Jack, so, I'm actually having a bit of problems. You see, I'm trying to find gold, but no matter how hard I try, I just can't seem to cope with my day.
Shall I offer you some champagne? It's New Year's Eve, you know.
No, thank you, Dr. Sarah. I want to remain sober for the rest of my life.
Okay, if you say so.
Something's wrong with this lady. I don't know what it is, but something is wrong. So I came here because, you see, I want to have a big resolution. I want to be rich. How can I do that?
Do it through our cooperation, perseverance, and numerous other things.
That's all.
That's it. Did you expect something longer?
Oh, well, nothing but...
Then you must be on your way now.
Oh, okay. You know, Dr. Sarah, you look beautiful yourself, too.
Oh, thank you so much. You know what? Back there in the lobby, there were a bunch of chocolate coins. Eventually, I was about to save those for Christmas, but I guess you can have them all. Anyway, it'll be me.
Oh, thank you, Dr. Sarah. Happy New Year's Eve. Mwah.
Do you mind if I touch your hook?
Why? No, I don't mind. You certainly let me touch my hook.
Thank you. I want to get a clear glimpse. Oh, that was so... Oh!
She's off to La La Land. Dream safely.
This has been Dr. Sarah. Tune next time until Dr. Sarah says,
Oh, Jack is so beautiful.
Stand by for the upcoming New Year's Eve skit. And thanks for heating up here. Thank you. I'm feeling a little chilly. And please bring in the two new actors, Jack and Oliver. Hello, my lord. It's really good to be part of FCSN Studios.
Surely, it's so jolly cute to be out here.
Hey, Oliver, I have a question. Are you British?
Yes, I am. Good.
You know,
You're very talented.
hey, thank you. You too, Jack. Happy New Year's Eve, both of you.
Alright, skedaddle.
Skedaddle? My lad, what is that supposed to mean?
It is an American equivalent humorous slang that basically means, get the heck out of here.
You too, Jack. Get out. Yes, master. And now, on with the New Year's Eve special.
You return once again to Cooking with Chef Louie, and here it is, ladies and gentlemen, here is the one and only Chef Louie. Hello, Chef Louie here. Welcome to Cooking with Chef Louie's New Year's cooking episode. So, today, in today's cooking show, I just off a little cooking chemistry-like experiment. So I just thought, well, maybe this could work, but only just because it's New Year's, humorously. So, I've been thinking, what if you wanted to forget about somebody? Well, please, our Chef Louie microwaves is on sale at Amazon, Target, Walmart, or any other superstore that you can think of. There's actually a secret button that you can press in order to explode something you never wanted. This doesn't work for food, this works for other stuff as well, like people.
Some New Year's this will be.
Let me give you all an example. Say that someone has been a big butt with you throughout the past year.
And so I should take a look at all of the calendars. And take a look at every day and every week. Like this little thing.
Let's just put it into basic terms of simplification.
And I haven't drinking my coffee yet.
Well, a bit. I was on a rush.
And then people like the Twinkie here, aka Leonard Hudson, you will have to explode in the Chef Louie microwave. There is a secret button that I haven't activated yet. But now I can!
Get your little foot in there.
Lay down in a good position, will you?
I'm looking very well too.
Wait. Well then,
As soon as we close the microwave, I've been thinking of activating this little button here. I'll show you guys. Twinkie, I mean, Leonard, you good? Better check to see how he's doing. Oh my, he did explode. Well, this has been Cooking with Chef Louie. And please, I wish you all a Happy New Year and Auld Lang Syne. This has been Cooking with Chef Louie. Till next time, what your Chef Louie says. Happy 2024. Thank you everybody so much for joining in to today's Puppet TV's New Year's Eve special live from FCSN Studios. And you know what? What other way to welcome in the New Year 2024 since it's almost midnight? Through the countdown! So y'all ready? Because in about a couple of seconds, 2024, the countdown will start now! Oh, that's a nice little clock there. Nine, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and it is official 2024! We made it, ladies and gentlemen. We surely made it together as a family. I'm so glad that it's officially 2024 and the Puppet TV's 2024 episodes. We have great plans for the upcoming year and what the year will bring us. I'd like to conclude today's New Year's Eve special with a song that is sung every New Year's. And here at FCSN Studios, that tradition will carry on forever. Here is Leonard Hudson singing Auld Lang Syne. Give it up for him, everybody. And let's wish that singer a Happy New Year, too. Should all acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind? Should all acquaintance be forgot in the days of Auld Lang Syne? Auld Lang Syne, my dear, for Auld Lang Syne, we'll take a cup of kindness yet for the sake of Auld Lang Syne, for the sake of Auld Lang Syne. Alright, everybody, let's get clapping. Welcome to 2024, everybody. Should old acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind? Should old acquaintance be forgot in the days of Auld Lang Syne? For Auld Lang Syne, my dear, for Auld Lang Syne, we'll take a cup of kindness, yeah, for the sake of Auld Lang Syne.
yeah. Surely you'll buy your pint cup, and surely I'll buy mine. We'll take a cup of kindness yet for the sake of Auld Lang Syne. Auld Lang Syne, my dear, for Auld Lang Syne. We'll take a cup of kindness yet for the sake of Auld Lang Syne. We two have run about the slopes and picked the daisies fine. We've wandered many a weary foot since the days of Auld Lang Syne. For Auld Lang Syne, my dear, for Auld Lang Syne, we'll take a cup of kindness yet for the sake of Auld Lang Syne. We two have paddled in the stream from morning sun till dawn, but the seas between us broad have roared since the days of Auld Lang Syne. Auld Lang Syne, my dear, for Auld Lang Syne, we'll take a cup of kindness, yeah, for the sake of Auld Lang Syne. Yeah, yeah. When there's a hand, my trusty friend, and give me a hand, oh thine. We'll take a cup of kindness yet for the sake of Auld Lang Syne. Auld Lang Syne, my dear, Auld Lang Syne. We'll take a cup of kindness yet for the sake of Auld Lang Syne. Yeah, we'll take a cup of kindness yet for the sake of Auld Lang Syne. Yeah. Happy New Year, everybody. Happy 2024. Thank you so much, Leonard, for that beautiful song, Auld Lang Syne, in that rhythmic, hip-hop, classical-like way. I just loved it. And welcome everyone to 2024, and you too, figure out and think of the days of Auld Lang Syne. Just like the song, Auld Lang Syne. Well, we like to wish everyone out here a Happy New Year, and that we're just excited to do more shows this 2024. So stay tuned, everybody. In the meantime, Happy New Year from FCSN Studios and Puppet TV to your home. Happy New Year. Bye, everybody. And hope you had a great 2023. Let's make 2024 an even awesomer year. An even better year. A fantastic year. A year to behold. Happy New Year, everybody. A very happy New Year. Thank you.
Hello everybody, Andy McStubby here, CEO, host, and founder of FCSN Studios and the host of Puppet TV. It has been a blessing to be with you throughout these months we've had of 2023 in the show Puppet TV. And we promise you that 2024 will be even better, hopefully giving us another chance to even wrap up Season 1 and continue on for Season 2 and many other seasons along. We would like to wish all of you out there who are watching and your family a Happy New Year. So thank you everybody who is watching right now. Please continue on to just view our shows, our episodes, and our everything. It just brings me so much happiness being a part of this show. But what I really like the most out of everything is making people happy. And that is why we did this New Year's Eve special. Thank you everybody. God bless you and Happy New Year. Welcome 2024. Happy New Year, everybody. A very happy new year.